Bud McKelvey, Public Works Director for the town of Farragut. We're here at the BlueCross Healthy Place playground at Farragut Town Hall. Public Works Department came in and did the underground sewer, water, and electric systems and the foundation of the playground here at Town Hall for the installation of this restroom. It's in preparation for this bathroom. The company that's putting it in is a public restroom company. The building's being brought in, it's completely finished. It's being lifted here on site with a crane, and they came in and did the stub ups and the finish grade to set the restroom on. This will be a great addition to the playground. The town hall will be closed for renovations for approximately 1 year, and they did not have a restroom facility to use, and so this will take the place of that moving forward.